All right, guys, if you're watching this, I'm actually in the province right now as you're watching this. But obviously, I'm not in the province right now. I said to myself, I said, you know what? Where am I going to have my last meal? Right? Where am I going to go to get my last meal here in Angeles City? You know, I thought about going to a steak place and stuff like that, but see, it looked like steak. So she'd probably be mad at me. She'd be like, well, why didn't you take me before we left? All right? Like, where am I going to go? Where do I want to go? What am I hungry for? Guys, this is what I'm hungry for. This is what I'm having and where I'm having my last meal. You guys ready for this? Check it out. I'm here at Ollie's Burger. I am going, and I'll show it to you. I'm going with a triple cheeseburger, right? With fried onions, light fried onions. Never did the triple, all right? First time doing a triple. Always did the double. But I'm sure it's gonna be good. They changed their hours. I thought they were closed. Other people said, hey, they're closed. There you go, better light. They actually changed their hours. They used to be like 10 a.m. to like 2 a.m. every day of the week. They've now have changed their hours to 5 p.m. till 2 a.m. That's what it is. That's what their hours are. I couldn't tell you. I mean, it's empty now. I couldn't tell you what type, you know, do they get more people here, more clientele here later on in the evening? Those are like dining hours, right? 5 to 2. Do people come in here early in the morning, you know, or midnight when they've been drinking and they're hungry? I don't know. But yes, this is where I'm having, and I'll show you my meal. Looks like they got this game here. Some people know this game. Pong game with the beer bottle, with the beer cans and the beer cups and everything. But anyways, here's where it's at. You know what? I think I will do one more walk down Walking Street. But when this burger comes out, I'm gonna show you this burger. How am I gonna eat this? This burger has arrived. Guys, there is no question in my mind that this is the best burger in all the Philippines, in my opinion. Check this out. Check this out. Triple cheeseburger. Look at the cheese. Look at the meat. There is no saying where's the beef when you look at this puppy, because this has the beef. Wow. My mouth is watering just looking at it. I always said small bun, all meat. Time to dig in, baby. All right, guys, that was amazingly delicious. Now I'm up here on, we're gonna take a walk down Walking Street, Fields Avenue. One more time, I don't know what time it is, 6:30, something like that. It doesn't matter what time of the day or night you come out, it's Walking Street. Everybody knows what's going on. Guys, you know what? My biggest video to date was called How to Get a Bar Girl to Pay You. It's got like 3.7 million views. I think I uploaded, I don't know, maybe 7 years ago, something like that. But I still get views on it today. That's my biggest upload I've done. All it takes is one, right? All it takes is one video to go viral, and that went viral. I don't know why. What happened? The YouTube guys were with me on I did it. Let me walk and talk. You know, it was just basically a video that I did, and at the time, my wife Louisa, look, everybody knows her. She was selling whitening products to the bar girls. All right, gotta watch I don't get no stinkhead. All right. Well, how do you get a bar girl to pay you? Right? Hello. Obviously, you give them something they want, they're gonna pay you. Kind of like how they have something that you may want and you're going to pay them for what they have, right? But yeah, that one took off on me. When that took off, my channel took off, and some of you guys remember it. But yeah, you know, different monster up here at night, in the evening. I'm using the GoPro, 1080, 60 frames per second. I don't have my DJI. My DJI actually does better at night in low light than the GoPro. But it is what it is. 5820 right here on the corner. So it is what it is, guys. A little bit of rain, a little drizzle. And I don't have my umbrella. As long as it's a downpour, I'm okay, right? But yeah, different monster at night. But the gist never changes. 5820. There she is. 5820. Oh, no thank you, no thank you. I had to stop and talk to her quick. She's such a nice lady. I had to say goodbye to her, and she was like, you know, I'm gonna miss you, and you know, she's just a super nice lady. Nice evening. I know somebody jump up and say, hey, yeah, Philly's out. He's gonna be bar hopping. He's gonna be bar fighting. Yeah, his wife is not here. He's gonna cheat on her. Well, been here 8 years, all right? And unlike some people that live here or travel here, do cheat on their wife or girlfriend. That's not me. Never has been me. I have more respect for my wife than to cheat on her like that. I said, I don't know how the lighting is. Coconut guy is still here. Peanut guy's here. These are really good. These are really good. These peanuts here. Alright guys, sorry about that. I just ran into Tom Lechon Yum Lechon. I'll put the link to his video down below. It's one of these channels, you either like it or you don't. Him and I were sitting here talking for a while, and it got darker out, as you can see, right? So we must have been really talking and shooting the old shit, right? Yeah. Light drizzle. This is that boutique. It's definitely a lot colorful at night, as you can see. Night times where you really got to watch where you're walking here. Because you can't see the holes and you can't see the ditches, and you would think, I've walked this many times, I would know where all the ditches and where all the holes were, potholes and everything, but you know what? New ones pop up daily. New ones pop up daily. It's the intersection here. Watch this here. All right. I've seen so many places come and go and open and close, and you know, 8 years, a lot changes of 8 years. Mistaken, like Old Club, Insomnia, they've been here for a while. You know, we're coming down through here, so there might be music. I might have to dub music over the video for the simple reason, music. So if music starts kicking in, you'll know why. Or I may just say to heck with it and not monetize this, just leave it as it is. See, now this isn't open during the day. Here it's open at night. 2F Korean Music Lounge. Resto. Party. Is this videoke?
Yeah,
Videoke
yeah.
up here?
Only live band, sir. Only live band.
A live band?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So live band and what? Videoke or just live band?
VIP, there, second floor.
Second floor.
Yeah.
Live band.
No. This one,
Oh, okay.
third
One's
floor.
live band, second floor is videoke.
Second floor, third.
Oh.
Inside. Under this one, this way, third floor, live band. Only live
Okay.
band.
All right, my friend. Thank you. Thank you.
Sir,
All right. Zeus Bar. Zeus Bar. I'm good, my friend. I'm good, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I've seen this club. It was Lancelot. And then Lancelot closed, and it sat empty for a while. And then you guys came in here and redid the whole thing. Yeah. Yeah. Look at it. Hey, YouTube, it's Philly in the Philippines. Are you going to subscribe? All right, all right.
Sir, can you get
Oh, she's shy. She's shy now. Philly in the Philippines.
right here?
Philly.
Wait. Bye.
Philly.
PH.
PHILLY in the
We have a space.
in
Yes.
the Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Welcome to Philippines now.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yes, sir, that's it.
Yes, sir.
See me?
Wait. Okay. Hey.
Search.
This one.
Philly in the Philippines. Hit search.
This one.
That's YouTube, right? Search. Oh, he's got me.
Philippines. Wala yata loob mo eh.
You got it. Yeah, he's got it. Go off of his.
Oh, okay.
All right, my friend. Thank you. All right. Shout out. What's your shout out?
Yeah.
What's your shout out? Why are they shy now, huh? All right. Take care, guys.
Thank you.
Shy now. Yeah, Philly in the Philippines. Brown sugar hasn't reopened yet. Hopefully they'll keep that name because it's an iconic club here. Some of these clubs are iconic. Good names, been around for a while. Can't believe the music's not cranking through here. Now I'm not going to complain that the music is not cranking. We'll keep heading down the road. Look at the barbecue. Street barbecue there, boy. Ooh, it smells good. All right. Stand in the middle. You all right? It's funny, I had a subscriber who has been here. Who has been here for a while, right? I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to my camera. Who has been here for a while. He actually lives here. And he actually told me, he goes, at first I wasn't too sure. You're going to move down to the province, But after a while, he's like, you know what, I can understand. You have done a lot of videoing. Keep your eye out, ladyboys are through here. It's like you have done a lot of videos. Not only, walking street videos and things like that. You've done, traveled and showed a lot. He goes, you know what? He goes, I'm actually glad you're moving away so we can get new videos. of your life and what you're doing. Envy's sitting dark. Yep, sitting dark. But yeah, and I'm getting that from a lot of my subscribers, you know, that they're ready for a new adventure and new things. Now, all right, let's see. Look at all the beautiful, colorful lights, right? That's what I come to Walking Street for, the beautiful colors and the lights. Nothing ever changes. All right, all right. Club Atlantis is open. See, during the day, you know, when I'm up here during the day, things aren't jumping, things aren't active. But you know what, here at night, you get a little bit more action. Or your clubs are open. Yeah. Gotta talk loud. Got to talk loud. Hurrah. Hurrah. That's a newer club right there on the right. Let me see what this is. Owl's Nest is closed. I was wanting to know what this looked like. The Owl's Nest here on the left. I wanted to know what that looked like at night. Looks like they're actually renovating inside it. That's why it's not even open. Explains it. I'm good, my friend. Talk. Look at that guy. Filipinos mocking him. That guy was stumbling. He was a stumbler. Kokomo's, you got a handful of people sitting up on the rail at Kokomo's. All right. Club XS, always one of the better clubs. Nicer clubs to go into. They do shows, entertainment shows. Yeah, to me, it's probably one of your better establishments here. Let's see, Barnana. Nobody's shining green lights at people anymore. That is over. That's not happening anymore. Let's see how Pappy's is doing. Pappy's. I'll have to come back and have a seat there at Pappy's. I'm good, my friend. I'm okay. Thank you. See, the Koreans, they'll invite you into the clubs, all right? The reason they'll invite you in during the week is because there's not many Koreans here, all right? Here we go, Madonna. This is that new club. They are open now. They're open now in the evening. And then they will do construction during the day. Cosplay here on the right. Let's see. What's up, Junior? Voila, Junior. No money. Out of stock. Yeah. Shawarma. I'm good, my friend. Shawarma. Shawarma's good when you've been out drinking, right? And you're looking to fill your belly with something. Elite on the right-hand side. Baccarat. I've seen all these clubs shut down when it came to be locked down. I've seen them slowly open. One open here, one open here. One gets shut down here. One reopens here. Seen a lot here. I have seen a lot on this street. Old Moon Bar, that thing got shut down. Then it reopened under a different name. It's funny. To me, to me, I don't know. Is it funny? Nothing surprises me here. Sensations on the right. That was rebranded. that was Aberesque, I think, or something like that. Casino here on the left, that was rebranded, renamed. Red Dragon, Blue Dragon, right here on the right. Places like Walkabout Hotel, they've been there a while. They just kind of changed their name. Was it Walk Around or Walkabout Hotel? And then it changed its name. Walkabout, yes, Walkabout Hotel is in there. Walk Around Hotel is out here. Wonder how well Photo Mimi is doing. And then you have the Paradise on the right-hand side. You know, it is Tuesday. Tuesday? Yeah, it is Tuesday. So this is what it looks like on a Tuesday. What does it look like on the weekend? I don't know. This is the first time I've been down here on Walker Street walking at night since October 31st, or since Halloween. Reason being is a lot of times YouTube just says it's not suitable for most advertisers. So it's like, it ain't worth my time. But it is a special occasion. I said I will come down here at night on a special occasion. And it is a special occasion. It is my last night here. Will we be back? Sure. You figure Hannah's in school. There's things that will bring us back here for Hannah. Am I gonna run back here anytime soon? And oh, let's go to Angeles City. Nah. So, all right, guys, let me wrap this one up. There it is. There it is, guys. That is my last walk down Walking Street. I killed 2 birds with 1 stone. I got my burger. So I wanted my burger and Walking Street. Does Look know I'm on Walking Street tonight? Yep, because I told her, I said, I'm gonna go to Walking Street, do 1 more walk. She don't care. She could care less. You know, when you have trust between a man and a woman in a relationship, it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So there it is, guys. And tomorrow I fly out, and the new page of my life gets turned. We will talk to you later. All right, guys, I am up here at Pappy's Bar and Chill Street Eats. Don't forget to come to Pappy's Bar and Chill Street Eats when you're on Walking Street, guys. I got me a caramel frappuccino. Drake or Eric and Mercy, if you're watching this, now you don't have the peanut butter and chocolate. I'm always coming in here. A couple times I've come in here and asked for the peanut butter and chocolate. I love peanut butter and chocolate. But I'm leaving, so don't worry about it. Guys, Pappy's Bar and Chill Street Eats, you know, stop by. You know, they got beer on tap. Right here. You got beer on tap right here. And that is, the taps are cold. You can see it. Come down here. Have a beer. Sit and people watch. You can watch the Viking. The Viking is finally open. So, I'm gonna go enjoy my caramel frappuccino at Pappy's Bar and Chill Street Eats. Alright, I know I said I was going to wrap this video up, but you know what? Let's stroll back up the street. Let's stroll back up this street. You know what? I was talking about that subscriber today that I ran into. The one that said, one I talked about earlier, that said he didn't know if, you know, he wanted me to move and everything like that. But you know what, we were talking and he's like, you know, there's so many, hello. It's like a circus show here, right? If you sit up at Envy, or not Envy's anymore, but say you sit at Philly's, you sit at Kokomo's and just people watch. It's like a circus here. You know, you got You got the short guy. You got Junior running up and down the street, you know? You got the one-legged lady running up and down the street. I mean, it's just a circus of people. And he said, where do I fit in? You know, you've got the old expat that comes here. You got the, you talking to me? Huh? You got a shout out, my friend?
Umbrella.
Oh, no, I'm good. I'm good. You got the big overweight guy. You got the guy with no teeth. You got the, you know what I'm saying? It's like a freak show, like me. Like I'm a freak show, right? Like, how do I fit into the freak show here? How do people see me? And we just kind of laugh, and it's like, yeah, there's so many different characters, and so many different people. And there goes the Po. I guess they allowed to come up and down Walking Street. It's, yeah, everybody is just doing their own thing. You know, I was sitting there at Pappy's Bar and chill, street eats, and just watching, looking at the people. And guys, I said this and I'm going to say it again. I've seen more Koreans walking up and down this street than any other nationality. What's up? What's up? Oh, you're hiding, huh? That is the main nationality, or the main, you know what I mean, type of people that are walking up and down this street. And I could care less. Turn it into Seoul Street. Turn it into Seoul Street. Ah, yeah. Sights and sounds. Sir, come in. Sir, come in. Ornana, Sky Falls, Viking Club. Sir, Viking. Barnana. Come into Barnana. They finally got a nice manager. Like, I'm just saying, the girl with the one leg, you know, it's just so many different people. And it's not her fault, of course, you know, that she doesn't have two legs, you know. Stink. I get a very smelly smell right there when I walk by. Get moving, get moving. Copyright strike, copyright strike. La 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 bomba. Club Lucifers, Masquerades, Lollipop, Gecko. They've been here a while. One of these clubs up through here on the left-hand side, as I'm walking up, they've been here a while. Alright, I gotta keep talking so I don't get the music gets in my video. Like I said, if they actually blared music very loud up and down the street, it would just be videos with music. So, alright, we are coming to the end of our walk. Our final walk. Who's playing music? Oh, that's Club Atlantis. They're playing their music. Let me get away from the music here. Let me get up here to the main entrance up here. As you're leaving, it says Mabuhay. As you're coming the other way, it says Walking Street. There you go. All right, I'm up here by the trike stand. All right, guys, there it is. Now, oh, I turned that off. Now, that's it, guys. We will see you later.